How to show or hide caller ID on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, S24 device. Open the app door on your device and tap on a phone app or tap on a Samsung folder. Here you can find phone app, tap on it. Now tap on a three vertical dots at top right corner. Tap on a settings. Now scroll down. Tap on a supplementary services. Here you can see show your caller ID option. Tap on it. By default set the network default option. When you tap on a neighbor option, your mobile number, your name can't see on the caller when you call someone on your device. If you want to hide your contact name or number, choose the neighbor option to hide your caller ID when you make a phone call. Or choose always if you want to show your number. So it's quite easy to set a caller ID on a Samsung S24 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.